Thanks for stopping by. This is the demo of the DIYMall Mega 2560. So we take a look at it. You can see very well manufactured, has all the standard pins. If you're starting off in the Arduino realm, you could get the Uno. You might as well get the Mega because you're going to run out of pins at some point. It uses all the same shields and devices and the same code, but it gives you some more memory, gives you some more pins. Let's hook it up to something special now. I can't think of a better way to test the 2560 than hooking it up to a ramps board. Give me a sec to connect it. We'll fire it up. Well, we have it up and running. The demo code is triggering all three stepper motors and turning the fan off and on in that upper right hand corner. This is the demo of the DIYMall Mega 2560 Arduino. Thanks for watching. Please visit DIYMall for all of your computing needs. Thanks for watching.